Yeah, that looks good.
It's perfect. Think there'll be Dr. Pepper ribs, don't you?
Yeah.
Think you want one?
Yes. Look at that
You
face.
gotta talk to your granny.
This is the Papa Sam cooking show coming from you live from the kitchen of Grandpa's. And Papa, what are you making us today?
I had a piece of tenderloin in there, and Granny said I needed to cook it. So what I done was, the recipe calls for barbecued ribs.
Uh-huh.
What I'm gonna do is sear it. I took that tenderloin up and I made it like boneless ribs.
Yeah.
See what I'm talking about? It looks like boneless ribs. So I'll sear it on both sides on high heat and then cut it down and put the barbecue, put the can of Dr. Pepper on it.
This is already looking well.
Granny, the key of this.
She could. Alright, Papa, your first question for the day for the Papa Sam radio show is, the election is almost here. It's October 27th. The election is November 8th. Who do you think wins the election?
I think Donald Trump will win. I think God's gonna get even with it.
Well,
If he don't, I'll accept whatever God sees me.
well, your next question for the day is, WikiLeaks has been on Hillary Clinton for a very long time.
And I hope they stay on it.
Exposing...
Like, you ever seen a duck catch a June bug?
Never.
Well, let me tell you, that's a sight to see.
They've been exposing Hillary Clinton with her email scandals, and WikiLeaks is posting it out. What are your thoughts on that?
WikiLeaks, I hope WikiLeaks keep on leaking them.
I hope they do too.
They're definitely against Democrats.
Well, your next question for the day is, I heard that Tim Kaine was in North Carolina
Draw
hosting...
30 people.
Draw 30 people. How many people did Donald Trump draw up today in North
I have
Carolina?
no idea. I have no idea.
6,000 people.
Granny, Granny go to town today.
She did.
What'd she go for?
Grocery shopping.
Grocery shopping?
She
Yep.
did get you some magnesium, I don't know where it is.
Yeah, I see. I figured that's what she was.
Alright, your next question for the day is, will Donald Trump be a good president?
I have no idea, but I know he won't stop us from praying and doing our thing, you know what I mean?
I know what you mean. Alright, Papa, but I don't know much about Roe v. Wade. May you please explain what Roe v. Wade is?
You had to go through your granny for that. Roe v. Wade is that's where it all started for abortion, I think.
Yep, when was it legalized? In the 60s?
I have no idea.
Alright, your next question for the day is, who do you think should James Comey be, what's that word, replaced?
I think James Comey should be replaced. By who? I don't know. But I hope it's not James Comey. But I just don't want it to be James Comey. Something smells good in there. How many hot dog jars on one? 2. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells
See, that's how I cooked it, like boneless ribs.
Yeah. Now,
All right, I've seared it.
now put your in it.
I don't know how long I need to cook
That's
it.
good. Put your stuff in it. Cut it down. But don't put the whole thing in it.
It costs for a whole can of coke.
I understand that. Put half of it in there.
And I want a barbecue sauce in there yet.
Before you cook it, and let it go.
They say put a coke in and let it simmer, what the recipe calls for.
Well, let it go. I know one thing. that spice on it. Smells well.
They say when that goes away, then
Put
put
your
the
top on
barbecue
it.
sauce.
Yeah. Cut it down.
That's what the recipe says.
Well, that sounds good to me. I don't know which one. Just the smell is overwhelming.
Let that get hot. Let that get hot, then we'll bring it to a little simmer where it sit there and quiver.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll let the coke steam all the way gone. And then we'll check a piece out, make sure it's done. And then we'll put the barbecue sauce on it. Then lick it up like an old lap dog.
So barbecue sauce won't get burnt. Just that's a smart idea.
And we're going to have hot dogs for supper.
I'd rather have that, to be honest.
Huh?
I'd rather have what you're cooking.
You want to have what I'm cooking?
Yeah.
That'll be mine and Granny's supper tomorrow night. Don't you want to come?
Maybe. Well, anyway, Pop.
But you got to be invited first.
Anyway,
I
Pop.
don't want you over here eating up my ribs.
Well, Elizabeth wanted to know, was Ramsey stripped of his manhood today?
Who?
Ramsey.
Yeah, he was stripped of his manhood.
Aw, no.
They get.
Cut him through the bit and took it away from him, didn't he?
Yeah, it didn't balance his testosterone level.
I guarantee it did.
Well, 2016's almost ending, Paul. We're in October. Yeah, that was good.
That's perfect. Think there'll be Dr. Pupper ribs, don't you?
Yeah.
Think you want one?
Yes. Look at that
You gotta
face.
talk to your granny.
Well,
Has anyone tried my cookie brownies yet?
not yet.
It
This
smells good,
is
baby.
what Elizabeth made.
Should I give you my insider on it on how I made it?
Yeah, we all know. Her cookie recipe versus Papa's rib. The rematch.
I ain't playing nothing with her.
Why?
Me out. I ain't playing against her.
Because you are.
No, Carl, I should have won.
Let me just admit this. You should have won the debate.
But the cook-off?
In other words, you said Elizabeth was the best too, huh?
No, I'm just saying that.
Yeah, you just say it.
Elizabeth was just the better man, or just a better woman than you.
That's how I say.
I don't feel I'm probably gonna live and tell difference. Hello everyone, this is the Papa Sam radio show coming from you live on the couch from Grandpa's couch. And today, I've already answered this question. Election day is coming up soon, and early voting has been allowed in many states. And Papa, who did you vote for?
I voted for Donald Trump.
And why did you vote for Donald Trump? Many people ask.
Why did I vote for Donald Trump?
Yep.
Well, he's a good man.
Alright, Papa, your next question for today. The World Series is underway. It started Tuesday. The Cubs and the Indians. The Cubs have not won a World Series in 108 years. However, the Indians have not won a World Series in 68 years. Who are you pulling for to win the World Series?
Who am I pulling for?
Yep, the Cubs or the Indians.
Cubs.
And
Anybody that won in 108 years need to do it.
yeah, their last World Series win since yesterday was 1945. That's a long time ago, wasn't it?
It was. A long time.
Well, Papa, your next question for the day is, how can Hillary Clinton be president?
If she gets enough electoral college votes, she'll be president. 270.
So your next question for the day is, what are your thoughts on Chris Wallace moderating the debate?
It's just another dummy.
Is Megyn Kelly for Clinton or for Trump?
I don't know. Megyn Kelly, she hates Trump.
I know.
Megyn Kelly hates Trump.
She does. Well, the 5's about to come on. We're about to get our news.
We'll see what happens.
New York City, and this is the 5.
It just started. Anyway, Papa.
We might turn it and go somewhere else because they got so I don't even like them.
America's headquarters. That's not America's headquarters. This
12 days, folks, 12 days. Although
this is America's headquarters right here at the Papa Sam Radio.
You just think, what's the day? 12 days?
27.
Tomorrow's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
Between the
It'll be
nominees
4.
now.
That'll be
Yesterday,
8
Hillary Clinton
days.
celebrated her
Clinton,
birthday
41. Eh. They can't see. They say that Clinton leads 44 to 21, and what are your thoughts on that? 44 to 41.
Because she's sweetening them up.
Do what now?
Hillary Clinton's lead 44 to 41.
Trump's gonna get them.
Yeah, and everyone's saying on the internet that Hillary Clinton will lose the election by a large margin.
I hope she does. Anybody that lies and does all what she does. All their life they've been crooked ever since they've been in Washington, 30 years.
Oh, I forgot. Of course, I was listening to this. I was watching YouTube, and they said that the Democrats would threaten that Donald Trump wins the election, they would burn down the United States of America. What are your thoughts on that?
I think they won't burn down nothing on my road.
I know. They're threatening to burn down the United States. What were your thoughts on that? What would you do if the Democrat came walking down and tried to burn your house? Now, we didn't get into this topic much on the last radio show, but many killer clowns out in the United States. What would you do if you saw a killer clown at your doorstep?
A killer doing what?
A killer clown. Killer clowns are people dressed up as clowns with chainsaws,
I
weapons.
tell him to leave. If he didn't leave, I call somebody to come and get him.
Now,
You want to put this on pause and let me watch this and then
Sure.
we'll go back to it.
we'll put it on pause.